What's up, guys? We're making another YouTube video on the Sunny Days YouTube channel. Today, we're about to make an epic Dominoes thing. So this is Caleb.
Hello, guys.
He is building around the hot tub, and I'm gonna try and build with this around the entire pool. I'll show you. Ready? Let's go. It's a long distance. And that's where I'm gonna try and build. I'm gonna need a lot more colors than just that one, but I'm gonna start with it. Bye. So while we weren't filming, the wind came and knocked all of Caleb's things down. Well, at least a lot of it. It's gonna be hard to fill all of it in. So we're gonna keep going, and yeah, we'll see what happens.
Okay, well, we've been having some troubles because it's not really working the best. A lot of things are going wrong, as you can see. We're just gonna knock them all down. Really frustrating. It didn't work out. We'll continue this another day, but it just totally didn't work out. There was too much wind today, and it just kept knocking it over. And so today was not the best day for Dominoes, as you can see over here. But yeah, now we're cleaning them up. Well, that was a bummer.
Yesterday we tried to build some Dominoes outside by the pool deck right there, but the wind kept knocking it over, and then they just all fell when we tried to put the spacers in. So we're doing it again for today. We're doing it inside right here. This is what I have so far, and so we're gonna see how big we can get it. So yeah, let's get to it. What's up, guys? We're about to finish. We've done a lot of work. Ready? This is what we have so far. So it starts here. There, like this. Here, he does this, and then there's like a gap, I guess. And then we're about to finish, but okay, yeah, let's do it. What's up, guys? Caleb is back.
I'm back, baby!
So, yeah, we just did an entire thing. My mom is filling in the gaps. We're almost ready to set it off. It's gonna go a lot better than yesterday. You guys ready? We're gonna set it off. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah. What? Let's go! It worked! Go guys, it worked. Let's go. So make sure to like and subscribe before the video ends. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.